we have to use standard form to determine the validity of argument. So first we have to write the argument in symbolic form. We have here argument: if I finish my homework, I may go to the park. I did not finish my homework, therefore I cannot go to the park. So first we have to find simple statements. Let's put that P is simple statement: I finish my homework. Next, we will put that Q is I may go to the park. Next, we have I didn't finish my homework, so we have negation of P. And we have I cannot go to park. This is negation of Q. So now we can rewrite our argument in symbolic form. We have if I finish my homework, I may go to the park. So we have here conditional statement. P implies Q. This is our first premise. Next, we have I did not finish my homework, so we have negation of P. And because we have therefore, so negation of P, this is our second premise. And now we have to underline our premises, and we have 3 dots, various state for therefore, and we have I cannot go to the park. So this is negation of Q. We see that this symbolic form matches the standard form known as fallacy of inverse. This is standard form of invalid argument. So let me write this, that this is fallacy of inverse. And it means that our argument is not valid. Invalid. This is my solution.